الحمدللہ وحدہ والصلاة والسلام علی من لا نبی بعدہ اما بعد فاعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَاكُمْ أُمَّةً وَسَطًا لِتَكُونُوا شُهَدَاءَ عَلَى النَّاسِ وَيَكُونَ الرَّسُولُ عَلَيْكُمْ شَهِيدًا صدق اللہ العظیم. Islam is a religion of equality and justice. Extreme is never appreciated in any sphere of life in Islam, neither in worship nor in public dealings. The people in the world are often found in extreme in many places. They often found extremists in worship as well as in public dealings. There are the followers of a religion who have a concept that every beneficial and every loss-giving thing is God. I mean Hinduism. It is a universal truth that everything in the world is either loss-giving or beneficial. It means that everything is God in religion of Hindus. That's why they worship sun, moon, stars, trees, fire, snake, etc., etc. On the other hand, there are some people who do not believe in God. According to them, the concept of God is nothing but a superstition. They often ask whether anyone saw God. But Islam has given a very transparent concept about the existence of God. According to Islamic ideology, there is one God that is called Allah, and no other is like Him, neither in self nor in characters. Allah says, "Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad." Allah is all alone. Neither He is born from anyone, nor anyone is born from Him. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. He has no family. Why? Why the God, the Allah is all alone? Allah says, لَوْ كَانَ فِيهِمَا آلِهَةٌ إِلَّا اللَّهُ لَفَسَدَتَا. If there would be some other gods except Allah, the system of the world would to be destructed. In Surah Bani Israel, it is explained in another manner. Allah says, قُل لَّوْ كَانَ فِيهِمَا آلِهَةٌ كَمَا يَقُولُونَ إِذًا لَّابْتَغَوْا إِلَىٰ ذِي الْعَرْشِ سَبِيلًا. If there would be some other gods except Allah, each of them would try to snatch the throne from him. And in such a way, what would happen with the creation? It also narrated that if there would be some other gods except Allah, إِذًا لَّذَهَبَ كُلُّ إِلَٰهٍ بِمَا خَلَقَ, then each of them would try to protect its creation. وَلَعَلَىٰ بَعْضُهُمْ عَلَىٰ بَعْضٍ, and then some of them would attack at each other. It is fact that believing in one God is the cause of easy life. The concept of many gods would be the cause of difficulties for a human being. Allah says, Allah has quoted an example. And said, Zaraballahu masalan, rajulan fihi mutashakisun, wa rajulan salaman li rajulin, hal yastawiyani masala. Allah says, whether the position of a slave of one person and a slave of more than one can be equal. If someone is slave of more than one, every master passes his orders, but the slave is unable to act upon all the orders simultaneously. At a time, he is unable to do whatever he is ordered. By quoting an example, it is tried to make us understand that worship only one God is better than the worship of more, because one can make happy easily one God instead of more than one. Prophet Joseph highlighted this point before the prisoners and asked whether only one God is the best or more. On the other hand, who do not believe in God, Allah also addressed them and asked, are they created without any creator, or they created themselves? Am khuliqu min ghairi shay'in am humul khaliqun.